Want to learn SQL? Here's some fun facts to get you started. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, but it's pronounced SQL because the creators thought structured query language was too boring. The first SQL database was created in the 1970s by IBM, and it was called SystemR. No, not SystemR, 2, D2. SQL is used in 95% of all databases, making it the most popular programming language for data storage. The word SQL is not copyrighted, so anyone can use it in their product names, which is why you see so many SQL this and SQL that out there. SQL injection attacks are real. Hackers can inject malicious code into your database if you're not careful. Scary. SQL is not case sensitive, but it's good practice to write your queries in uppercase to make them easier to read. Now, go forth and conquer the world of SQL, or at least your company's database.